What's up guys, me Party VR back in another video. There's a new update in Monkey Blocks. So yeah, I'm going to be playing that. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Join my Discord server in my bio. Comment your favorite part of this video. And if I like this part also, I'll probably pin your comment. So yeah, join my fan code PHV if you'll ever want to meet me, because I'm normally in here for recording videos. I'm doing this on default because this is that's where most people are in Blocks. So, oh, there's a new pack. Nice. I haven't been in here in a while.
No, great thing. How did you miss me, bro?
Oh, you want me to tag you? Oh, where did my watches go? Okay. This is what it looks like if you haven't played in here.
I'm not gonna tag you.
Yo, where's the map?
Okay.
Man, I'm charging.
It's what?
Man, it's saying he's not gonna tag you.
There's no map here.
He's gonna tag you.
There's no map. Am I just...
They're gonna tag you.
Wait,
Everybody tag him! Yeah, let's put a new map. Everybody come in here to put a new map.
Red.
Everybody come in here to change the map. Let's change your map.
Yeah, how do we change the map?
We need everybody.
There's a cave diver.
Where the spawn is.
Yo, everybody come in here to change your map so we can play in the map. Come in here. Come in here.
Hey, yo! What is bro doing?
Okay, I'm leaving this place. Bro, those kids. What were they doing? Yo, everybody come in here. We're changing the map.
Come on, everybody here, everybody here.
Everybody in here. Yo, person with the armor. Come on. Person with the armor. Come on. Go in here. Come in. Everybody come in.
This map makes you extra fast.
No, it does not.
Wait, oh my god.
Everybody come in here. Everybody come in here.
Hey,
Wait,
what matters?
I see.
Everybody come in here. Come in here. We're not going to tag you. We're not going to tag you. Just come on. Everybody in here. We're not going to tag you.
Thank you.
Bro, come here.
Come in.
Okay.
Bro, come on.
Come in. Come on, bro.
Yo, we aren't going to tag you. Come on. We aren't going to tag you.
Yeah, there we go.
I'd rather not be a part of this surfer. Dang.
Come on. Oh my gosh. No, I'm leaving. This is so weird. Okay. There we go. We have a map. We...
Doing something cheeky.
Okay, so let me make a snowball. Yo, everybody come in here. It's a wonderland.
Wonderland up there?
Yes. There's so much stuff to do up here. There's an ice skating rink. And we also have an elevator. And we also have a crossbow to launch you. This will launch you very far.
Dude, I'm the designer from that elevator, bro.
Yo, we can play tag. Let's play some tag.
Oh my god! This is a freaking mansion!
It's so much fun. Yo, hello.
This is a
Yo, everybody, let's play some tag. Let's play some tag.
this IO
Guys, let's play some tag.
Guys, I'm coming in with the world's largest snowball. I'm coming in with the world's largest snowball. So you better say
Everybody, let's play some tag. Tag sounds so much fun in this map
that's the
for some
point of
reason.
real tag.
Okay, whatever.
Actual tag, like tag you're it tag.
Like, I mean, like, play tag in this map right now.
This would be the best map to play tag. It's like a freaking ice mansion.
Yeah, let's play tag right now.
Yeah, I'm right. I'm rich. I'm rich. No.
Are you trying to change the map?
Shut this thing on me.
How do I get to my maps?
Oh, okay, everybody come in here. He wants to change his map.
Guys, wait. Can everyone come to the very start?
Cool.
Wants to change this map.
Wait, I want to see his. I want to see his map. I want to see his map.
Wants to change his
Wait, I built an entire castle.
Yeah,
He made a whole entire castle. He made a castle.
Everything.
Come in the lobby.
Let's go. Guys, no one
Everybody, come on.
This is so cool. No one else is going to change this. Let's get it. Come up,
Come.
This is amazing. Selected this map.
No, I missed.
Dun, 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 dun.
Everybody, let's play some tag.
Get ready.
Bro, I really do suck. Got him, let's go.
This is the bestest thing ever. Guys, get me out of there. Hey, bro, you're it.
Where'd you go?
Come on up here. Give me it. Give me it. Bro, you just... Bro, what's on there?
Yo, let me on the elevator. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, that's an elevator.
Yeah, it's an elevator.
Freaking elevator. Guys, I rate this 10 out of 10. Come on.
Yeah, it's very fun.
10 out of 10. Okay, I don't care if I get... Bro, you want to munch on some apples while we're waiting?
Mine's 20 out of 10. Guaranteed.
This one's fun.
85,969 out of 10.
I'll help you tag.
Okay,
let's
go in that house. Dang. Let's get even higher in this day. What on earth is this?
Guys, I'm at the highest point.
Apples?
Wait, I could go even higher.
But I don't know how.
Oh, even higher.
Guys, I know what this is. This is a freaking catapult. How do you use this?
You press the little button.
Which button?
It's a button like...
Oh. No. Oh, I see. Oh, no. It took me out of the mansion.
Yeah, it launches you very far.
Meet me at the top.
You have to catch this.
You see anyone?
I'm at the top.
Oh.
Come on, guys. You have to catch
Ready?
Fire. I'm off there.
Yo, I want to go in the catapult.
But guys, imagine someone gives you work on the summer. Like, who needs to work
I want to come.
summer?
How do I do
I
that?
don't have any work to do.
You have to.
I want to come.
Climb on the corner.
Whee!
First of all, I am Vicky.
What's that?
Second of all, you're not good. Third of all,
now go on here.
Wanna be lost? Because I am from my Kia.
You're bad.
I'm from my Kia.
You're bad, bro. You
I am the one
Yo, let me...
I'm wrong. You wanna be the Kia, but I'm wrong. Guys, I'm sneaking in. Wait, what is this?
No thanks.
Hey, yo, is this a fighting scene? First of all, first of all, you're not from the Kia. Second of all, I'm from like a Kia. Third of all, you want to be from IKEA, but you can't be from IKEA because I was from IKEA. Guys, who wants the world's largest snowball? Guys, who wants the world's largest snowball through at their face? Hey, Purple! I do. Come to black. Come to black if you want to get hit. No, bro, no need to tag me. Lava monkey. Lava monkey. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Have someone to tag clearly. Hey, lava monkey, you want to tag me? You want to tag me, lava monkey? Hey,
He doesn't.
lava monkeys, you want to tag me? Bro, how did that splash me away? Bro, don't flip me off. Here, I'll show you what to do. This is how to be the best player at Gorilla Tag. First, you're going to want to walk in here. First of all, you're going to want to walk in here. Hurry up and take the freaking elevator. Guys, this is how to get out because no one wants to.
I'm sorry.
Your mom.
First of all, you gotta get on this freaking elevator.
Oh my god, this is
Get on the elevator. Get on the elevator.
Yes, you are.
Bye bye. After you get on
Dang.
the
I got her.
I'm a he.
hop out,
I'm not a
you're
her.
gonna want to go to the corners and climb over your square hopping. Then you're gonna want to get in this catapult and hit this flag button. And then you will leave because no one will see you.
Good one.
Bro, you want the
Go up! Guys, everyone head to the top of here. Bro, hit that button. Hit that button because no one cares about you. Hit that button.
Oh.
First of all, I am.
I guess I forgot to play first person again.
It's because older kids keep on effing
Oh.
swearing. Oh, dang. And then it's making the little kids swear
Everybody
at
join the call my
home,
name.
and then they're
Join
doing
the
it
call
in
my
games,
join,
and then they're doing
join my name if you want to join my map.
Yo, slow down, dude. What's the code? What's the code?
My name.
Bruh.
Your name? 199.
My dude's in 1998.
That's just my code. Sometimes there's a guy in there who uses this code. But I've been using it since November 2021.
Oh, they're all here.
In. To me. Don't be weird, don't get me. And he goes for me. Where do we set it up in the kids? You going for me?
Okay, what?
I'll let you later.
Okay, I'm just like jumping now. I'm just jumping.
Oh, leave me alone.
Lag? So guys,
That's crazy.
I'm lagging right now.
Bro,
I'm lagging right now. I don't know.
Crazy. Thank you for it.
Bro, no way. My arm just got stuck. And I just hit my arm on the bed, on my bed so hard.
Guys, where are you? Hi, bro.
Let's go.
Yes, bro. You duped out like 7 times.
Why?
I'm lagging.
Monkey. Walk.
I'm lagging.
Yo!
Okay. Guys, I think I'm in the video right here. Bye.
Monkey
Oh,
surrounding me. I'm
bye. Like and subscribe to my Discord server bio. And yeah.